Liam. Would you like a puppy? Would you like one? It's stuck. No, you can do it. You can do it. Very good. That's pretty good. Those of you who know us know we have been struggling with Liam having anything with texture. It just gagged him. Yeah, because you were being a picky eater. But he started eating puppies and other snacks. He's such a cutie. So we're very happy with that. And we're about 2 weeks shy of his first birthday. Oh my goodness. So we'll do an update then, but just wanted to let everyone know, yay, Liam likes puppies now, or he tolerates them at least.